Hello, my name is Marie, and I'm the Recruitment and Retention Specialist for Racine County Foster Care. Today, I'm here to speak with Zenoria Harmon, who is one of our treatment level foster parents. I'm just going to ask Zenoria some basic questions about her fostering experience, and then hopefully those of you that have been thinking about fostering will then give us a call and ask more questions or attend one of our information sessions to become licensed as well. So today here is Zenoria, and we're just going to get started with the questions that we have. Hi, Zenoria.
Hi.
Thank you so much for coming. We are so glad to have you here with us and for all the work that you've done with fostering. Just a couple of different questions. Tell us about how long you've been fostering.
I have been fostering for 31 years.
31 years. That's an awfully long time, and we certainly appreciate it. Why did you get involved with fostering? What prompted you to sign up?
The reason I signed up for fostering is because children has always been a passion for me. From a large family and youngest of the large girls of the large family, so I always wind up helping out my older siblings, and that made me start being especially good with taking care and learning how to take care of children, and I just always wanted to do it after that.
Okay, great. And we know that you are a treatment level foster parent, which means that you take the children that may have a few more behavioral issues or challenges or have experienced more trauma than other children. What made you take that level as opposed to just a general foster care?
I took that level because those kids are reaching out for attention that some people back off from. And I would like to say that it's not worth backing off from, because I'm here to help them, and it's rewarding because I find ways to reach them in whatever level they are in. And I learned that I just need to meet the kids where they are and start where they are. And by doing that, I also get their parents and even sometimes grandparents involved and make a wider range of it so that we can expand our learning and our experiences and ways of helping them.
Good. So if you had to think about your fostering experience and what was one of your most rewarding times, so if you had a child that you started out with and maybe you have continued to have contact with them or something like that, if you had, or something on a level of achievement in school, if you had to think about what was your most impactful moment, what would you think that would be?
My most impact would be that I got them in and nurtured them and gave them what I had to offer them, which was love, nurturing, and care, exposing them to experiencing things that they had not experienced before, and saw and watched them grow and develop into the young men and women they are today.
Mm-hmm. And I know foster parents have a choice of what age group that they like. What ages have the children been that you fostered, and how many would you say that you fostered over those 31 years?
I've had kids from birth, from the hospital to age 18. I have fostered 80 kids. I have my 80th child in my home now.
That's wonderful.
And it's so rewarding to me because I've seen differences in all the kids that have been placed with me.
That's great. We certainly appreciate what you have done so far. What would you say to a person who may be considering foster care but just haven't made that commitment yet? How would you encourage them to go ahead and call us and sign up?
I would say to them, if they're thinking about it, go ahead and sign up for it. Reach out to the county for information, attend the informational meetings. For myself, I also have posters that I put in places I go, like my church, community places like the hospitality center, and different places that I go, and then I tell them that the fear, most of them tell me that they have fear. So I said that the fear that you have, don't worry about that fear, because when you get into it, you're just going to be focusing on the child and what you can do for the child and the difference that you can make with the child and their families, that you won't even remember about the fear after a while. It will just disappear, and you will just be on into it and doing what you need to do, and then you will be encouraging more people to get into it as well, because it is very rewarding.
For those of you who may be considering fostering, we do have an information session that's coming up here at the Workforce Solutions building. You can give me a call at 262-638-6595 to get registered or to answer any questions that you may have. Thanks so much.